Check out this new addition to our exclusive inventory down here in Brandon, Florida, Tampa Bay area. Thanks for checking out my channel today. We have a 2013 Mercedes-Benz ML350. This was the first year for this body style. It's finished in the diamond white versus the Arctic white. It's a $1,500 upgrade for the paint charge. Has the 20-inch wheel package along with the running boards. It also has the lane keeping assist package, so you've got blind spot alert. So if somebody's in your blind spot, this will light up in red. It also has the lane keep assist. So if you're driving down the road, there's a camera located up here measuring the lines in the road. So if you start to drift, it'll actually turn the steering wheel as active steering. So you can take your hands off the wheel and it'll keep you in your lane. Also, it lets you know that you're drifting. You have an indicator here. It shows you how close you are to the car in front of you. On the door here, these are where your power seat controls are, with 3 memory settings. Lumbar support is still on the side of the seat. Power telescoping steering wheel. Rain sensing wipers, rear wiper. This right here is your cruise control, or your cruise control, so you can put this up, push it down. Either way it sets it. To disengage, push it away, to re-engage, pull forward. Very simple stuff. Inside, you'll notice that it has the navigation system, which is not touchscreen. It's controlled by this knob right here, so you can turn it. And as you turn it, you can zoom in and out. You push in on it, your menu shows up. Really cool stuff. Lots of features. This actually still has a CD changer. You can put all 6 CDs in one slot if you still use CDs. Sunroof standard. Plenty of room in the back seat. Rear ventilation, of course, so your passengers back here are comfortable. Very classy, as you'd expect with the Mercedes-Benz. Now this vehicle is on a unit body. It's not on a truck chassis, so it's going to ride more like a car. Back here, power tailgate. Seats fold down, you've got lots of room. This vehicle looks like it just came off the showroom floor. Everything's intact. Full-size spare tire. There's the tailgate right here. Let's go around to the front. In 2013, this was one of the first years they started doing LED lighting in vehicles. And this one does have the LED fog lamps. It is available for sale, locally owned and traded. All maintenance is up to date. It's going to be due for its regular scheduled maintenance in a few months. Tires are great. Brakes are amazing. It only has 40,000 miles on it. Original MSRP, almost $60,000. Again, available for sale, Ed Morse, Brandon Auto Mall. You can reach me at 813-520-3399. And do make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave comments below. And if you know anyone looking for a quality vehicle, we not only have this beautiful 2013 ML350, but we've also got a great selection of Alfa Romeos, Fiats, Cadillacs, and everything in between. Thank you again, and make sure to subscribe to my channel.